Hello friends, welcome to another lecture by elanclassesjaipur. Jaipur. Today's lecture deals with the topic which is dealt in your chapter 8 of the textbook ENTRE JEUNES class 10. So let's read and understand what the chapter 8 says. L'environnement, sauvons la planète. Let's save the planet. Danny a devoir à faire. Dennis has a homework to do. Son professeur lui a dit d'écrire un petit article. His professor has told him to write a small article, un petit article, sur la protection de l'environnement, on the protection of the environment. Danny, je dois écrire quelque chose. I must write. This is devoir. I must. Verb, devoir. I have to. I must. Écrire. Write. I must write. Quelque chose. Something. Sur. On the environment. Mais, but. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Quoi écrire? What to write? I don't know what to write. Pauline, as-tu une idée? Pauline, do you have an idea? Bien sûr. Of course. Il faut que. It is required that, or we should do that. Qu'on fasse, we make. On fasse. This is the subjunctive form of faire. Faire means to make. So it is required that we made, or we make des efforts, some efforts pour protéger notre planète, to protect our planet. Nous pouvons, par exemple, réduire le gaspillage. We can, this is pouvoir, pouvons, nous pouvons, we can, for example, reduce the gaspillage is wastage. We must reduce, or we should reduce the wastage to protect our planet. Il faut réduire le gaspillage. We should reduce the wastage to protect, pour protéger notre planète. D'accord, ok. On doit réduire, we must reduce l'usage de l'eau et de l'électricité. The usage of water, water, and electricity. Tu as raison, you are right. Il est nécessaire que, it is necessary that, nous puissions, again subjunctive form of pouvoir, we can. So this is necessary that we could reduce le réchauffement de la terre. We should reduce the warming of the earth, global warming. Ah bon, comment? Okay, how? Quand nous faisons trop de gaspillage, quand means when we do, faire, nous faisons, we do, trop de gaspillage, trop is very too much of wastage. Nous y contribuons, we contribute to that. Indirectement, indirectly, nous aussi, we also. So she says that when we make much wastage, too much wastage, we indirectly are contributing to our the réchauffement, or we are spoiling our earth. Dani, alors, then, j'aimerais bien que, I would like that. Aimerais, I would like that, que is that, on soit conscient. We be or become conscious about it. We become aware about it. Conscient is aware. Again, subjunctive form of être, soit. J'ai vu ma mère. I have seen my mother arroser le jardin, watering. Arroser is water, to give water to the plants. Le jardin, the garden, watering the garden. Le soir, in the evening. Pour conserver the l'eau, to conserve, to save the water. So she waters the plants in the evening so that water is protected. Dans ma famille, Pauline says, in my family, on ferme le robinet. We close the tap. Robinet is tap of water, water tap. We close the water tap quand on n'en a pas besoin. When we don't need it. Besoin is need. So when we don't need it, we close the water tap. Dani, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. J'ai maintenant beaucoup d'idées. I now have, maintenant is now, have many ideas pour mon article, for my article. Je souhaite que, I wish that, souhaite is wish, to wish. I wish that on comprenne, again subjunctive form, we understood. Comprendre is to understand. Comprendre is the subjunctive form of comprendre. I wish that we understood the importance of, l'importance de, la protection de l'environnement. So he says that I wish that we understood the importance of protection of the environment. Next page, page number 69. Bouge-toi. Do something. Move yourself. Bouge-toi. Move yourself. Do something about it. Pour ta planète. For your planet, Earth. On parle de plus en plus de la protection de l'environnement. We talk more and more, de plus en plus, more and more, de la protection de l'environnement. About the protection of the environment, we talk more and more. Quel impact cela a-t-il sur notre quotidien? What impact? Quel impact? What impact this thing, cela a-t-il, it has, this thing has, sur notre quotidien, on our daily life. Quotidien is daily life, day-to-day life. Qu'est-ce que c'est protéger l'environnement? What is it? What we call the protection of the environment. Protéger l'environnement, c'est protéger notre source de nourriture et d'eau potable. This is, when we talk about environment, this is about protecting the source of, our source of nourriture, food, and d'eau potable. Eau is water, potable is drinkable. So drinkable water and food protection, the source of all food and water is our earth. We get food and water from none other place than earth. Tout ce que nous mangeons, whatever we eat, et buvons and drink, provide comes from, provided by la nature, provided by the nature. Or, toute pollution finit par, in addition, toute pollution, all the pollution is finit par se retrouver by finding itself. All the pollution ultimately, finit par means ultimately, finds itself un jour, one day, dans notre nourriture, in our food. How? When we do wastage, it goes into the earth, and from that very earth, we are getting our nourriture, our food, our water. So if we pollute the earth, our food and water will be polluted, definitely. Dans l'eau que nous buvons ou dans ce que nous mangeons. So naturally, when we all the pollution finds in our nourriture, because it goes to the earth ultimately, and then we get polluted water and polluted food. C'est préserver la qualité de l'air que nous respirons. It is to, what is the protection of the environment? It is the preservation of the quality of air also. Not only food and water, but air also needs to be clean. The quality, la qualité de l'air que nous respirons, we breathe. L'air est absolument indispensable. It is very necessary, absolutely necessary, à notre survie, for our survival. Nous ne pouvons pas survivre, we cannot survive plus de quelques minutes, more than a few minutes, sans respirer, without breathing. So we cannot survive even for a few minutes without breathing. The environment, c'est conserver le climat. About this, not only food, water, and air, but also the climate que nous connaissons, that we know. Which is around us. Nous devons limiter notre impact sur le climat. We have to limit our impact on the climate en réduisant nos rejets de gaz à effet de serre. By reducing our rejects à effet de serre, the greenhouse effect. So we must not pollute the climate by greenhouse effect. And next thing is to protect the environment, c'est préserver la biodiversité, the biodiversity of which nous avons besoin. We have need. So we need biodiversity also. La biodiversité, c'est la variété des espèces animales. It is the variety of animals, species. There are many kinds of animals which reside on the earth. They live on the earth. and vegetables are also there, various kinds of vegetables in the nature. Toutes ces espèces, all these species, all these kinds doivent être respectées, must be respected, et préservées, and must be preserved also, pour la seule raison que, for the only reason that elles sont la création de Dieu, because they are the creation of the same God, comme l'homme, as human beings, as we human beings are the creation of God. Those species, those kinds of animals and plants are also creation of God, and we must protect and respect them. En bref, briefly, c'est quelque chose, this is something qui concerne chacun d'entre nous. It is something that affects us. Concern, it belongs to us, it is relevant to us. Everybody, chacun d'entre nous, everybody amongst us. Pour assurer la survie, for making sure the survival, et donc l'avenir de l'humanité, and thus in this way the future, avenir is future of the humanity. Il est indispensable, it is very necessary, indispensable, de protéger, to protect the environment aujourd'hui, today. It is very necessary to protect the environment. Y a-t-il un génie pour sauver la planète? Is there any genie? Is there any giant or magical power to protect the environment? No, the answer is no. We ourselves are responsible for saving the environment. We have the responsibility. These shows are fair 10 things to do pour protéger ma planète, for doing protecting my planet. Que faut-il faire? What should be done pour sauver notre planète, for saving our planet? As-tu des idées? Do you have any ideas? L'environnement, the environment. Je découvre, I discover. What do I discover? There is le réchauffement de la planète, the heating of the planet, the global warming. Réchauffement, the heating, the warming. Les usines qui polluent, the factories. Usine, factories that pollute. So these are the causes of pollution. Les voitures qui polluent, the cars that pollute. L'énergie renouvelable is the energy renewable. So this is the solution. We must use renewable energy. Another solution is le recyclage, the recycling of the waste material. And next is la protection de la nature, to protect the nature. So this was chapter page number 74, and grammar topic is le subjunctive in this chapter, which we have also seen in the text, how it is used after que, Q-U-E. Thank you for watching.